Hey guys, so today I decided to fix the screen and replace the battery of my iPhone, an iPhone 6. Well, I have replaced the screen and the battery. So yeah, it's very good parts that I buy from Shopee, and it includes free gifts such as cable and all the pentalobe screws and all the stuff that you need to open the LCD. But I have a problem since the last time I used this phone is like 2017, if I'm not mistaken. So it kind of have some defect. Not only the screen is broken, the battery is bloated, but also it can turn on. Even when I insert the cable and the charger, it doesn't power up. So I think I'm going to take it to the Apple shop to repair. Hopefully it doesn't cost much, because well, I don't want to waste such money. Hopefully it doesn't cost more than 500 ringgit to repair it. So hopefully I'll get this sorted out, and I'll see you in a future video. Don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel, and don't forget to hit the notification button so you can get all the latest updates from me. Thanks guys for watching.